Canvas courses from the 2016-17, 2017-18, and 2018-19 school years will be deleted this summer. If you would like to keep the curriculum you created in these courses, then you will need to save the course to your OneDrive. First, click Courses, then All Courses. Find the course you would like to save and click the course name. Click Settings in the bottom left, then click Export Content on the right. Select Export Type Course and click the Create Export button. After the export process has completed, click the blue colored link to download your course. Save the downloaded file to your OneDrive and repeat for each course you would like to save.